And half my screen's cut off. What is that about? Oh, no, we're good. It's just off. What's up, people? Why is... Oh, there, that's off. What's up, people? Why is... I'm going to turn that background off. How about that? There's a lot of setup with this, guys. How we doing? How we doing? Jeremy and guest. It's Josh, aka Malamaker, aka a lot of other stuff. Are you talking about my computer? Why am I hearing my audio on this?
Is it coming through the HDMI? Through my computer? No, I'm not.
Hang on. How about I just turn it down? Are you guys getting okay audio and stuff?
I don't know if I even have. Oh, I do.
Does audio sound good?
There, I'm gonna throw an earpiece in for a second.
It's tracking me. Let's make it stop. Let's make it stop. Okay. The audio is good. Somebody give me an audio check. One, two, three.
I think you need to
audio
go up a little
check.
bit.
Yeah, I'm gonna come out a little bit and
The
that.
the audio needs to go up a little bit.
Audio up. Okay. Bringing the audio.
Bring your voice up volume wise.
Just me?
Yeah, just you.
That's another testing. Yeah, I'm just gonna bring
my voice is towering over yours. I guess that's not a problem. But
then I can it's this guy. Transmitter gain, it's this one. Okay. Let's turn mine up a little. Okay. There, mine is up higher. You're gonna hear some buzzing. We're running.
ooh, we lost the camera on that side.
That one? Yeah, that one there. It's gonna be that one. We lost it? That's weird. Look at all the fun toys. Yeah, we got all kinds of fun toys. What's up, Kittrell, Kenny Sim, 3D Medic Vince, Train Wrecker, Polymaker live stream going on right now too?
For whatever.
That's weird. Member for 15 months. Raj, thank you. Became a sponsor. You can shut it off and turn it back on too if you
Unplug and plug it back in.
I'm scared to do too much because the OBS crashed on me like 3 or 4 times, so I'm like trying to be cautious about that. It's okay. If it's being a turd, we can turdify it. Okay, that shut it off. My docs, it kicked it back on, but it's just still shut.
Still doing it.
Oh yeah, it's doing. Let's just shut that one off. Let's just shut it off. Hang on. It's not that.
I'll get another camera. I'll get another camera going.
We don't have to have it. It's not a huge deal.
We gotta have another perspective.
He said we gotta have another one. Yeah, the buzzing. I tried to kick the buzzing out as much as possible, but making a bunch of stuff back here behind us. I'll take you a quick walk around the shop in a moment, if you would like. Josh will have to tell you what half this stuff is. Josh, you want to do a quick, well, it doesn't have to be quick, I guess. toy show off?
Well, yeah. I mean, where do we start?
Where do we start? That's a good question. There's a lot of stuff in here, y'all. Let's try this. If this shuts off our stream, look at that. See? I did this so it caught my... I didn't want it to do that. If this shuts the stream off, it's not my fault, okay? I need to turn those gesture controls off. Yeah, I did. I turned them off at home because of that. Oh. So, I guess I could make it follow us around. Yeah. Follow Jeremy. Sure. That's not... There we go. I can't see your guys' your chat right now, so this is the new machine that just came in. This thing is huge. Josh, what do you think about this guy?
This thing is crazy. This is the second one of these in the United States. It is a Thunder Titan Pro 51. I believe it's 51 inches wide. But this one here has dual laser sources. It's got 4 cameras. So you've got your overhead cam. When the glass is closed, you got dual cameras here, which with LightBurn, I say we just started supporting because that's my day job is working for LightBurn. And then we've got a head-mounted camera in this thing too. But this is the insane part. And I know not everybody's a laser nut, but I'll show the inside of this thing here.
For the laser nuts.
Yeah. So this is the fiber source. It's got 50 watt of 50 watt fiber. Here's the yellow line that goes through and it goes up into a combiner. This actually is a fiber that travels with the gantry. So that's here. And then when I say this just showed up.
Yeah, I got here like a week or something.
It was the day before we left for Murph. And we left for Murph on Friday. All right. And then it's got a 100 watt RF laser. So if we were to compare an old school CO2 laser against this, like this here is, 18 inches long.
Mm-hmm.
And here, we won't use that one yet because we got still got to hook up the exhaust to it and everything. But
this is gonna feed through too. This comes off, and you can feed completely through the back of the machine. Right there.
Here is what 130 watt CO2 tube looks like.
That's cool.
Yeah. So
that is cool.
And really that RF is equivalent to almost like 200 watt CO2. So I mean it's
that thing is big.
Yeah, technology. This is, more older school technology, newer school technology.
Old school, new school.
Yeah. But I got some ideas on this machine, on some fun things to try out right out of the gate.
This hasn't ran. Have you ran this yet?
No.
No, it's not ran yet.
We've homed it. That's about it. We've homed it. So it's we haven't even leveled it. That's how.
I'm gonna set this here for a moment, and I'm gonna just go check this.
Yeah, check out.
Make sure we're not crashed or nothing. Okay, we're not crashed. That's good. I recently sold my Omtech 130 watt CO2.
Yeah.
What's up, Penguin Makers? Malamaker Twins, what's up, Nate? Recently, I bet it's pricey. That's an understatement of the century. Understatement of the century. Oh, look, my camera took off and went over that way. See, that's why I don't really like having them follow you like that. Wrong way. Looky there.
We can turn off follow me.
Oh, I need to turn that off. Stop moving. Yeah, in the gesture controller.
Yeah, cost wise.
What is that? Oh, it's a light. Okay, I was like, what's going on?
That would be a $50,000 laser, to put it into perspective. So,
jeez.
And that Omtech, oh, what is it? What do those things run now these days?
Let me go. I got to get my Mountain Dew. I started the stream wrong. The stream wrong.
I'm gonna say Omtech these days. Now you got me curious. I haven't looked at an Omtech in so long. That is, I believe, what you would be. That machine's more of like a Pronto 61. So that $7,500 versus now. I will just preface it as I work for a laser software company, so there is some other really cool stuff here. I'm going to show you too. The casting room, the way stuff's done in there. If a lot of people don't or haven't done any casting, and yeah, Baja, yeah. Did you do that one project live on stream? The one casting, or did you do that just?
No, that was just a video. Oh, well, I've done a couple. Which one? The gear.
Well, that was the one. I forget you.
I did a gear.
That was when you reached out to me a handful of years ago.
Yeah. And there was a gear that needed to go in like an anchor cranker machine.
Yeah.
And
it kept breaking. The 3D
print somebody was trying to 3D print it and it kept breaking. And yeah, I was like, hey, how is Thunder is American? Is Thunder American?
They have an American branch. They have like branches in all kinds of different countries.
Oh, we got a giveaway. Hang on. I need to put the giveaway in chat for you.
Thunder, you want that machine is crazy. Every switch on it, so like door switch, there's 2 door switches for every switch, so it's redundant. Switches.
That's some industrial stuff.
Yeah, it's an industrial laser. So
yeah,
I mean, you want to talk about immaculate and how it even showed up. I mean,
one moment, people. I'm working on getting the. Here, I can just do this.
All right, bear with me. A little bit of air.
A little bit of loud. Hang in there. Here we go.
We're cutting some gears behind us today.
Go grab. You got one of those? We'll show them. I'll show them that too in a second. The original one. I know it's very small.
Yeah.
So these things are very small, and bring the train thing over. Just that box over here.
Yeah. Oh,
just the I think it's in the box, or no, you may have moved it. I don't know.
Well, here I can even do that repair. I can do that repair while we're chilling. Ooh, not that one. Wrong bin. So we just moved the shop. We went from
pin, and hey, check this out. I think I can do. There you go. Gifted 5 memberships for you all. There's 5 memberships gifted. Boom. Who got the memberships? Fun, CO, Jexter, Efont, Elizabeth, and Cybertech. Cybertech. Hey, my thing's working. Look at that.
Nice.
I did something to make it work.
Let's see here.
Switching the camera.
Yeah. There we go.
You seen these guys last weekend? Yeah, there's so many settings for that.
There we go. That's
okay. Is it that? Okay, it's just needs to be moved up now.
yeah. Well,
so
I'll get it moved.
No, not that. I mean, like, hang on. If I move this up, we're gonna play with this a minute, people. So hang on. Okay, yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, at least you can sort of see what's going on there now. It's always nice when your thing works. Okay.
This is a hodgepodge between.
Hey, that works. That's good. I mean,
focus.
I just leave it right there. Yeah, it's
Okay.
just an extra side. So yeah, let it roll.
Nice.
What is that? Oh, that's a fan. Never mind.
So what we're cutting there in the background.
Here, let me get this for that one. Here's what you want to do. You could probably show it right here.
Yeah.
We're gonna go like that.
So here, I'll use this camera over here.
You can use this one. This one will get you better. Right here, Joy.
All right. So these two trains, 1988 and 1991 or 2.
These are old schools.
These are old trains, but they held up. And not only did they hold up, but the tracks were really easy for kids to put together. Really easy and like easy to operate.
It's surprising
all of that.
How many people will still have these. There's a huge group of people out there that want to have these fixed.
Yeah, it's wild. I came across this when my kids were like, I don't know, 2-3 years old, and there was a guy that had, so it's Play School Express train. Guy had a site out there, and I went on eBay and I just bought a couple listings of other trains. And so anyways, I started like mold making some of the original parts, making molds of the original parts and casting them. And people just started like blowing up my like inbox for parts. And so here, this little worm gear, which drives, essentially what it does is in the train, it goes right there on the motor shaft. This, people will just, it'll be rounded, worn out over time, the nylon does. So unfortunately, I tried SLA printing these and it just didn't work out. It just couldn't handle the heat of that.
Disregard my fingernail polish there.
Yeah. That was painful.
Yeah, that was a painful one.
And so anyways, I started playing around with trying to CNC cut it, but lathing this, the best way to lathe it is really to CNC lathe it. You can hand lathe them, but just so much time. And so what I figured out was you can do a process called thread milling. And what it does is this tool right here, this tool right here, you can see it has one tooth on it.
There.
And what this does is this will spin, and then it will
kind of go around and around.
Spiral up and cut all the gears for the.
So the first one drills the hole out in the center of all of them. The second tool cuts, shaves everything around it, and that one does the threading.
Yeah, and this one does the threading. So three processes, and what we're cutting back here is 150 of these. So
yeah, it's been running for a minute too. Like it's been going.
I'd say that's probably a 5-hour job. What, 5, 6? Probably
we got lots of shaved nylon here.
Yeah.
So much shaved nylon. Needed I mean, you could probably throw that in the injection mold machine, couldn't you? Is it pure enough?
Huh?
To use for the.
Oh yeah, I can inject that.
Yeah.
And here's the crazy part: all that's nylon on the back.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's all.
Yeah.
That's all basically nylon.
So.
Yeah, well, that's like, I know you don't want to get other stuff mixed in with it, obviously, but for the most part of it, like you got some aluminum or something in there. But
I got aluminum and probably a little bit of HDPE too. So that was, man, you want to talk about
that looks
cut like butter. Cut like softened
butter. Yeah, so, and then I need to close that thing out too. Oh, there was my other Mountain Dew.
So,
I don't know what
yeah, so
this
thing I had to convert it from Vietnamese. Oh, where are we? Oh, there we are.
Should be on.
Yeah, there we go. We're on it. I'm just not live. So.
Oh, yours wasn't.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you put your plastic pieces in there, your little chunks of whatever what all plastics, pretty much any plastics in here?
Pretty much any plastic.
Did you do like PEEK in here too?
Yeah.
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 So yeah.
And I can show the example mold the guy gave me.
So yeah, it's gonna go right there. This guy's gonna.
So we were trying to show this on stream for today, but I've been learning a lot about injection molds, and there's a lot more prep that.
Yeah, we got the, there's pins and all.
Oh yeah.
All the things.
We can show an example mold. So
did he send one?
He didn't send one. I could have bought one, but I was like, no, I'll just make my own mold. I should have bought one, because then I could have. I know he
tested it though, right?
Oh yeah, he tested. Yeah. I have video of it tested. So this guy that designed this machine, he's in Vietnam. Guy is, from what it looks like, just maker like any of us here on the stream. He's just got close accessibility to pretty much a lot of these parts. So anyways, I found him on YouTube, and I took a chance. I actually, I checked out with PayPal, so it wasn't too sketch.
For some reason my chat's not coming back through. I don't know why, but I'll just open it up right here. Steve Clark.
The guy has this machine.
What's up, Down Under Maker?
And another model that's bigger than this. This one will do 25 to 30 gram shot. And we can kind of give examples of what that would be and some of the things that I plan on making on this first. And I've got a really, really cool idea.
What was the next size up?
The next one does 40 gram shot.
That's the only.
And that one's like a little bit bigger.
Is that the only size he has? Those.
Yeah, just those two, and he
Thought there was a
makes them
smaller one,
to
too.
makes them to order.
30 and 45. 30 and 45.
30 and 40, yeah, about 40 gram shot. So
40 grams worth of juice.
let me
40 G's.
find the guy. He's so his handle is handmade, and I'm gonna say Guyen, maybe. It's Nguyen. He's I'll put it in chat so everybody can see it.
I don't know why it's being issues.
So the shot is okay. So what a
like
shot is, yeah, you know, it's like pour it, shot. No. So it's the amount of plastic that can be heated up in the essentially the extruder, that it can keep at the right temperature molten. Because typically, like how these screws work is they kind of taper forward and push the plastic as it augers it in more against the wall, and so it can only heat up about 30 grams that you can effectively extrude out of the nozzle.
Basically, the capacity of how much liquid plastic
it can
is going to shoot
in a short period of time.
Yeah.
So his
that's the shot. The short. Pronounced Nguyen.
Nguyen. Awesome. See.
Oh, handmade.
Yeah.
Nguyen.
I mean, I had to, about the only thing I had to do is.
Oh, you talking about the dude that made
guy.
it? It's Nguyen. Okay.
Yeah. So if you look him up on YouTube, he's got all kinds of videos. It's really neat.
Do you know who it is down there, Maker?
I think he just knows how to pronounce it.
Oh, you just know how to pronounce it. You're just going to come in here and correct us.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see how it is. All good. Hey.
He yeah. Guy also sells the plans for it too. So I think for like $250, he would have, if I would have done that route, I would have gotten all the plans on how to build it, what parts needed, what parts needed cut. And then he also gives you the PLC programming as well.
Nguyen, okay.
Yeah.
You did so Kenny, you did injection mold in the 80s, like at a factory, I'm guessing. What'd you do? I feel like I remember him calling it shot back then.
I was looking at
so many grams shot.
Before this, I was looking for something this size. But
I didn't even put
the smallest I could find was on Robot Dig, which any of you that have been in the 3D printing industry for a full handful of years will know Robot Dig.
Oh yeah, Robot Dig.
Oh my gosh, I've gotten so many parts from
Robot
over the
Dig.
years. I was looking at one. They sell injection mold desktop, but their desktop is like most of this table. That's desktop for them. So
okay, I did not tag my stream, and so Keela's not here. She usually does all this for me. This is not nice. Now I have to do it all by myself.
So, this was given to me. It heats up, but I've never run plastic through it. Technically it still works, but this is like manual plunger. Somebody just gave it to me and they're like, still works. But yeah, this is a neat machine too. And pellets go in here, heats it up, and you just push down on the plunger into the mold. So,
And
the neat little machine.
yeah, I'll be stoked to see that thing actually go. That one too.
Yeah, I want this one.
He's as bad as me. He's had this thing for forever and yet to use it.
I think I've had it for like 5 years. Yeah.
They're in production and a mold making shop. They did aerospace. It was no big deal. Maintenance man. Yeah, but then you get to see the cool stuff.
Yeah,
I've worked in some pretty
yeah,
cool.
but if you're maintaining that stuff, I would almost rather be the maintenance person
I
working
gotta
on
see some
those
pretty
machines.
cool stuff in a Honda it's actually called a foundry, but that did aluminum injection mold on the manifold, the top and bottom manifolds for the Hondas. What's up, Icarus? If you're watching, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, peoples. Icarus, how you doing, man? Blanket's nice, by the way. I was using it over the weekend, or week. Okay. It's comfy on the couch.
Yuri, hey Yuri.
I said hello. It's a Jeremy and Josh show. Yes, it is. It is today. We got free reign, so well-ish. I know what an EDM is. It's an EDM.
Oh,
is that a dirty thing?
It's electro. Oh my gosh.
I just posted it. So Keela usually posts the stream for me on like all the other Discord servers and on our Discord server, and I didn't share it anywhere today or anything. So,
electrical discharge machine.
Where are we touring?
A precision manufacturing tool that uses controlled electrical sparks to erode and shade conductive materials.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. They had one of those that what's the company that's doing that with like the enders and stuff? Is that what it is? Isn't that EDM?
Yeah, I think they're using a form of EDM for that. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, they like mount it on an ender. I think it's what is the name of it? I know it's their colors are like orange, so I don't know why that stands out to me, but it does. They've always been right at Remer for the past couple of years, right where you walk into the other building. Actually, Rob Babybelt was there this year in that same spot. Yeah, we're touring. Right there you go, Rack Robotics. That's what it is. You know what's up, Damascus Everglades? Yes, Rack Robotics. We are at this is where Josh lives.
Yeah. Well, it's my second home. My real home is at home, but
with all the fancy LightBurn stuff and all the fun tools.
So this shop is where 3 of us from LightBurn work out of. We do testing. This is our testing shop.
Here,
there's about 40 of us that work for LightBurn, and 3 of us are here. And where is here? We are in central Illinois,
somewhere
right outside of Peoria, East Peoria, literally right on the other side of the river in East Peoria.
I will do a quick walkthrough just to kind of show you guys what's up here.
I'll turn on the lights over here. We'll get some lasers running here in a little bit.
So I won't be able to see chat, obviously, but I'll do a quick walkthrough. I'm gonna start up here. So also bear in mind here, this building. When did you just moved into here? When?
We
it's
literally like 2-3 weeks ago is when we did the final.
Look, you guys gonna see the delivery guy. USPS, hello. Good. Take that.
Yeah, you got it. Nope, not today.
Nothing.
Yep, thank you.
Well, hey, look at that. You guys got to see a live delivery in progress. Look at that. That's some cool stuff. So yeah, you walk in. He's putting a wall up right here. Keep all the burglars out. We got some printers over here. This is kind of the little area. It's got a few Reality and a P2S right there. There's nothing really shown here. It's the office there. I don't want to go into, you know, what you do in those areas there. Little.
So this
couch
is
here.
this is more, well, we're still putting things together because we moved from a 2,500 square foot shop to a 5,000 square foot shop, and pretty much we had to run airlines here, electrical, exhaust. It was a whole lot of everything.
It wasn't just move the stuff in
and you're up and going. So
yeah, so there, yeah, you can see there's still a lot of stuff that's got to be unpacked. There's and set up.
We'll
H2S
run the
here. Of course, H2S is over here running.
Is it running?
No, it's not running. It can run.
You can't.
It's set up.
We got to fix.
It was having some issues, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's that stupid. Oh my gosh, it's that stupid pressure sensor spring thing on the back. So this is the one that's got the laser capability in it. Laser works great. What we've been struggling with though is this spring sensor here keeps tripping, even with a 1 kilogram spool.
Yeah.
So right now what we've done is bypassed it through the TPU slot.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah,
but still, it's been a struggle.
So there's machines everywhere, people. So, yeah. Wait, what is? Oh, it's a rack. That's a cute little water heater up there, just chilling.
Oh shoot!
Did you put that? You put that water heater in?
No, it was there.
Oh.
It was there.
I thought you would put that in.
Technically, this is two different.
Thunder laser.
This is two different spaces.
Thunder keys. There you go. They made a laser after you. What is it?
I say technically this is 2 units that we pulled a dividing wall out of, and made it into one.
Are you going up over that?
Yep.
Oh, that's scary. That's scary.
Yeah, we have it.
Yeah, hang on. You got it? Scary business.
There we go.
Got a little bit of a bump to get over there. Bumpity bump. Yeah, you saw this and might be able to do test something on it. Fork truck, yeah, that's always handy. Moving stuff around. This was he said the back part of a bowling alley. Pretty cool. I keep forgetting I can control this with my hand instead of turning it.
We'll do some UV lasering here in a little bit.
Yeah, there's all sorts of fun toys and machines here. I don't know what I would really do first. Like, I was sent this to Keela yesterday. I was like, hey, Keela, check this out. That's a rail for you.
Yeah, but it is, yeah, so this is LightBurn's test shop. Half the machines in this shop are actually owned by us employees, because like myself, I was into CNC far before I was into lasers.
Just got that lathe.
That's myself. If you ever, any of you know Joe Spanier? Joe Spanier makes. He's also a LightBurn guy. He's in this area. Him and I have been friends for, oh my gosh, over 20 years.
Just and papers.
He was into CNC and lasers, and that's kind of how he got picked up. And then Jess Nelson,
toys, and
you can find her on like Instagram. She's out of the shop too. She's really big into all kinds of mediums, textiles, loves sewable. sewable electronics, all kinds of stuff like that. She was actually
Ooh.
kind of based
that's
in
got,
Champaign,
that's
working
not the road.
at the U of I makerspace for years, and then came to LightBurn as well. So
You want to show how this casting stuff does?
huh?
You want to show the casting?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So
We can do a cast.
you want to do you can do a cast?
Yeah, we can do a
How long
quick cast.
It doesn't take long to do.
No,
So this room is super cool.
Everything's a mess. Say bear
I'll
with
let
a
you.
mess.
So how does the process? How do we do the process? Just quickly.
So the first thing that you do typically is make a mold. So making the mold is probably the most time-consuming part, but it's also planning the mold too. So the molds I'll show you guys are some of my toy molds. I make
this. What does this thing do?
It's pressure pot.
Pressure pot.
Instead of trying to suck out the bubbles, what we do is we put
It builds up pressure.
Yeah, we put pressure to shrink the bubbles into micro bubbles, and you will never actually even see them.
What's the pressure that goes in when you put one of these in?
So right about 65,
Okay.
65 to 70 psi. You don't want to exceed 80 on this.
Here's your
So what this is,
part.
and I'll show the parts here. So this is the top. This is the bottom of one mold. What this is bottom part of a hinge.
Very, very strong.
And here
Extremely
is
strong.
the other mold, which makes the top part of the hinge.
Like that, right? Yeah.
So this fits the Hot Wheels racing track. This fits like a Duplo Lego block.
Then they snap in there hard.
These snap together.
Yep.
And now you have a hinge that you can build, elevate. So
very cool.
Yeah, so quickly.
These sprayers are very nice, by the way. If you need something for, like, he uses for acetone misting.
Yeah, so I'll show that too here. But
and that's the mold release, is that right?
Yep, that's the mold release. So it's like got a wax in it.
Yep.
So we'll let that dry. I'll get the other half. And
clean her off.
They're gonna hate me with all the air blast.
I mean, there should be a limiter on the on the mic, so it shouldn't clip. It shouldn't.
And because I've treated these molds enough, they really don't need a whole lot in terms of
is that like some leftover pieces or something?
Yeah, just that, and it won't cause any issue because that's all kind of like the middle part of the mold. And I'm just double checking, make sure none of my vent holes are clogged.
Let me check something
here.
real quick. 1 second.
Saying.
We can turn this off.
So with this, just setting the molds, getting them.
What is the big router?
See.
This one behind, you'll have to ask Josh.
Here. I've got locating points here so that they all kind of line up where they're supposed to.
What is going on?
All right. Yeah.
Woo, doing all the fun stuff without me.
Yep.
Yep. So juice them up, clean them off,
Yep. And then look at
slap them around a little bit.
I had a note in here on.
And what is this?
So that is a tin cure silicone. So I use typically a tin cure because I can SLA print the positives. So for like these, I SLA printed the originals and then used a tin cure silicone. So this here is made by, if you look up on here, you see a lot of blue and yellow. That's Smooth On. I use mostly Smooth On. And so like here's my molding silicone and part A, part B.
Okay. Is that
So
50/50 or no?
no,
that's 'cause you got a
not at
gallon.
all.
It's like,
Yeah.
what's the percentage on that?
It's 10 parts to 1.
Okay. 10 to 1.
Yeah, 10 to 1 on that one. And it all depends on the silicone that you're doing.
You had to put all these airlines in here too, didn't you?
Yeah, I had airlines in here. I had to do dryers because moisture.
A lot of setup in here. Also, exhaust is a thing.
Exhaust is going to be going in here. There's actually 2 different exhausts. One is just keeps a constant negative pressure on here. The other one is evacuation. So
evacuate the building.
Yeah. Let me see here.
Popcorn
I'm gonna look
up there.
I gotta look up my mixtures really quick.
A slab of mold juices. A slab of mold juices. Yeah, this stuff here is. Do you do? I haven't seen any the hammer or axe handle stuff.
Oh, I haven't done those, well, I say it kind of dwindled out, but yeah,
those were cool.
Resin casting axe handles, and they had.
Do you have any of those left? Probably somewhere.
At my house.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, at my house I do.
Somewheres.
Yeah, I've got some really cool ones that illuminate and glow in the dark and all that. Let's see here. We'll do blue. That's what we'll do. We'll do blue.
Blue? Oh, Bluey. Oh, Blue. You're my boy, Blue. You're my boy, Blue. Anybody that doesn't know what that is? Anybody know where that come from? You're my boy, Blue. You're my boy. Come on, let's hear it. Dang, what'd you do? So once these are you can you do anything with these once they're
So when they're exhausted, like when they get to a point where they'll get crusty.
Okay.
And then when they get that one's still good.
This feels more rubbery on the outside than right here though.
Yeah, but you can tell where the heat is starting to get to the mold. And once it gets crusty, you can technically cut it out and then grind up the outside of the silicone. But you're always going to be pitching something.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So
you're going to have to throw something away, though.
Yeah, at some point you're throwing things away.
Yep.
All right.
How many do they last for typically?
I get in because I am really good on.
Did you make this to pour?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Because
little.
What is it? I do a really good job at using the mold release. It's about 50 pours.
Pretty neat.
45, 50 pours I can get out of a mold.
We're mixing up the good stuff now.
Yep. All right. So
you can see that the scale's been used a little bit.
Yeah, that's an understatement.
You got his calculations over here.
Yeah, I literally built a Google sheet that gives me all the calculations of all the parts that I made. This eventually I want to injection mold, but it's a more complex mold, so it's gonna take some engineering.
Just to let everyone know real quick, I just gotta say this. Everyone, make sure you wear safety gloves, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, wear gloves.
Yep.
Oh shoot.
The
Yeah, honestly, safety is important, people, for real. Like,
Oh,
especially
yeah.
breathing this stuff in.
yeah, this room has enough active air that we're fine, but
Yeah.
yeah.
Now, like, if you was in here doing it all day
Oh
and
yeah.
without, stepping out maybe or with some airflow.
Well, that like even
Yeah,
yesterday,
yeah.
look at that little bit of time that I was spraying acetone
Yeah.
and
Gotcha.
got me.
Gotcha. Yeah, it doesn't play. It does not play around.
Gotta.
What are we squirting? Is that color?
Yep, that's color.
The colorant.
So then we're gonna mix it. And so what we do is we mix the color first. What I do is a like forward back motion in now, because when you circle like this, what ends up happening is you just kind of the air bubbles, but also the mixture just goes around with the stirrer.
Okay.
By doing it this way, you are truly mixing it.
Learning how to actually stir things today.
Yeah, so
I've been stirring
is
wrong my whole life.
So now what we're doing is we're mixing the color together with part B.
Okay.
And then now,
does it matter which one you put the color in?
Part B is the recommended one.
Yeah.
And then we're going to mix part A with part B, and I should have done a bigger container. But that's
and
okay.
how long does that?
This is like 2 minutes is all I have.
You don't get much.
No.
Does it start to react warm?
It starts getting warm, especially if you leave it in large quantities. It'll start getting warm.
Okay.
Yeah. So what I do is the mold I go after first is the one that's got the smallest vent holes. So, and what I do is I count to 60 of the back and forth. And that is...
yes, if you only get a couple minutes.
3 minutes. This one's 3 minutes. There's some that are like crazy,
still,
like
that's not very much time.
All right, good enough. Oh shoot, yep. And that now you know how the scale got the way it is. All right, so now is
you pour it in here too. Okay.
Yeah. Yep. Pour it and then.
Oh, that's very liquidy. More
Yeah.
than I thought.
There's
so
some
those
that
little
are
holes
thicker.
are vent holes, right?
Yeah. So what this is doing is this is kind of spider webbing out. By the time we're kind of later in the stream, we'll be able to come in here and actually pull this mold apart. I'll set a timer and I can show you how this one here is, honestly, I never thought this was going to work, and it did because I planned out how this mold would pour, and you can start seeing there, see them all coming up.
Popping up everywhere.
Yep. So then
cool.
I just put that on, grab the other mold, just double check it's all pushed down.
Double layer time.
And this one fills up faster.
Yeah, the holes are bigger in the vents too.
Yeah. This one has a lot larger travel cavities, whereas the walls on the like Duplo side are a lot thinner. So it takes a lot longer for the resin to travel around.
Right. We got enough?
Yep. Oh yeah. Just enough.
Oh, there it goes. Let's start coming up to the top.
All right. So now
beautiful.
We put the lid on. All of my tanks are calibrated to be at the right pressure. And then I have special like pressure regulated and super dried like air chucks that I hook up to this. Now, when I first started doing this, little did I know all of the things that were going to end up going into this.
That's the way it usually works, though.
Yeah.
Hook up an airline to it.
and then that's it. Now we wait. Literally, that's it.
Has it got a gauge on it or no?
Yeah, right here.
Oh. You got it regulated to stop at what?
Right after, so just almost 60 psi.
Almost 60?
Yeah, almost 60.
Nice. There she goes.
Yeah.
What happens if you do too much pressure?
There's a relief here. Like,
well, I mean, like, would anything? No.
Just becomes more. It makes it more dense. It could potentially compress it so much that it actually pulls down too much in the mold, and then you may get incomplete parts.
Gotcha.
That I guess is probably the biggest risk.
Oh, you can just unhook it right off and shut the valve off after, huh?
Yeah.
So you just pressurize it and then just pull it off.
Yeah, and this tank is so sealed that
nothing will leak.
I've left it
no
for a
air
week.
will leak out.
Yeah.
That's super cool.
Yeah.
And how long does it take?
It technically it's 30 minutes because some of the parts are thinner, it's like an hour.
Okay.
Yeah. Takes about an hour.
That's still very quick.
Yeah.
I wouldn't think it would be. It would. Is that like an hour from
right now?
There? Yeah.
Hours safe. Usually like 40-ish minutes.
Oopsie doopsie doopsie. Here, people. Okie dokie.
All right. So.
Okay. Questions.
Yeah.
What would you say? What's the big router behind this?
Okay.
I don't know if my chat.
So, the router. Oh, the camera followed us again.
What is it doing?
So, hi.
Jeez, hang on.
So, anyways, I'll answer the router question. So, I bought that from a guy a year and a half ago. It is a home-built machine, but it is absolutely insane. This guy had built it. He came here from Poland, like, I guess it would be 14 years ago now. The thing weighs 2,500 pounds. It is 8 inches of concrete on the bottom, 6 inches of concrete on the side, and that gantry has, oh my gosh, it's I'll just say this, the whole back side of the gantry is solid 10 centimeters thick concrete top to bottom of that gantry inlaid into that gantry. That machine is absolutely insane.
I think it's very heavy too.
The guy that built it.
Oh, so look, it got you because you did the. I got to turn those off.
The gesture.
Yeah.
The guy that built it, he was just looking for it to have a good home, and it's got a really, really neat integrated controller on it. Closed loop motors, all of that. It has up, I think, XYZ total out of square, no more than 50 microns total, like out of square. It's insane how, and it even has on the back side of the gantry, he even has a laser brake on it to where if one side of the gantry gets out of alignment, like the machine starts racking, it'll kill the machine. It's wild.
The molds reusable? Yeah, they're reusable. How long did you say they was reusable for?
I can use them for between 40 and 50 pours. Typically, I can go on more of the higher end of like 50 pours, and they can hold up.
$50 pours.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. That's a good amount.
Yeah. It makes the molds worth it. And then I make masters of the molds so that I can
What's
just
up, Killa?
pour a new mold, pour a new mold, pour a new mold. So it's like once I got a good mold, then I can make duplicates of it.
Yeah, once you have the
18 inches of Z travel. This, it is like a hair under what you would consider a mill. I have one desire on this machine, and it's the back plate that travels on the X and the Z. I want to upgrade to steel, and that should remove all the remaining vibration, and I can cut steel on this thing. So and it's crazy too, because like what I paid for that machine, I would spend about the same just buying the spindle. And I got, oh my gosh, 30 tools with it. BT30 collet holder. And when this gets done here, I'll show you its pneumatic release on the tools. So eventually I want to build a tool rack for automatic tool changing on it. All right. So
oddly satisfying.
I'm gonna give a little. If anybody's following the Mill Mage project, and I held Jeremy back from spilling any beans, but I will give a little hint. If any of you have been following that we released Mill Mage, we are coming out with Mill Mage Pro, and one of the new features of Mill Mage Pro, won't be initially, but it will be coming out, is thread milling.
Oh, what this
is doing. So this is right now running.
That's what they call that, thread milling?
Yeah, from Fusion. But Mill Mage, I did some testing on it yet, and it's close. It's almost there.
That is, what material is that?
That's nylon.
Nylon. Okay.
Yeah. So what is it?
Yeah.
6.6 nylon or something like that.
Nylon.
Anyways, like you can cut threads with thread milling, but what I'm cutting are the gears. So you can actually use to cut a worm gear. I'm using thread milling to cut a worm gear. So that's a sneak peek.
Sneak peek.
I wouldn't let Jeremy post any of the video of it yet, so but he got to. So that's a O flute bit. Let's see if I've got an extra one floating around here, and I'll show you. So an O flute bit is a single. Think of it almost like a spoon, but spiral. It's like spooning out with a single like scoop out of the side of the material. Let's see here. See, this is what happens when you move. You lose all your stuff. So when this job is done, I'll be able to show you guys what the O flute bit looks like. But Jack in the shop, what do you think we're working on first? That's what Pro will have first. Is V carving in 2.5D, and
where's it at? Where's it? At?
There's going to be some fun features. That's all I'm going to say. I'll just say this. I'm going to be cutting my injection molder here. One of the first molds that I will be cutting. Yeah, we're prepping right now for our 0.9 release, which I believe that will release Pro. I could be wrong, but that'll be Pro. I am taking I took the LightBurn logo and I went to AI and I go, give me this logo, but I work for the company, but make it look like a real dragon. And then I'm going to Meshy and having it then create an AI generated like 3D model of it. And what I'm going to do is make an injection mold of the dragon, the LightBurn dragon. But I have a really, really cool theory, have no idea if it's going to work. So we have our fiber
It's gonna work.
lasers, which are galvos. So what that is it's a mirror that directionalizes the beam. And if you think about it, it is a cone shaped, essentially projection of the laser beam. And what I want to do is I want to texturize the dragon scales. And we are coming out with Z control on galvos. So what I want to do is focus at the bottom of the mold, laser the texture, raise it up, laser the texture. And as you adjust the focus, as the beam moves up, and there's a very small window in which you can get effective use of the laser. It will create on the curvature of the mold, you will potentially get texture all the way even up the sides based on the beam focus.
Keela sent me a picture of getting her haircut. Like, oh god, she waits till I'm gone to go get a haircut because she knows I don't want to get her to get it all.
She waits till you leave and then spends all the money.
Yeah,
so.
and that.
Yeah.
Oh, I heard is WS around the corner. Would be great.
Milmage Pro.
Oh.
Yep.
And make sure, hey, I pinned the link for the giveaway too, so fill that out, peoples.
Like and subscribe too.
And like and subscribe. Oh.
Yeah. So I got a timer here on the molds, so we'll eventually go do that. But
here, I'll show the.
We can do the comm marker here.
Huh?
We can do the comm marker too. That's again laser plastic. Ooh, no. I'll get we'll do some cars.
Huh?
We'll do some cars.
Some parts?
No, C-A-R-S, cars.
Cars. What are we? Oh, lasering some stuff?
Yeah, we'll laser the cars on the UV laser.
We can laser things.
We'll do a Leah Marie 3D one.
Sweet, let's do it.
All right, got to be careful. We don't want it, you know. Big old Mattel coming after us now.
Mattel coming after us. Mattel's notorious for
trolling,
coming after people. I'm gonna shrink that camera down. I didn't want to do that.
All right, we'll do a black car here. Yeah, we'll do the silver too. Yeah, blue. There we go. Have some fun here.
What is going on?
Yeah.
I don't know what it did. That's fine. No. For some reason it's... Oh, I just got locked it. That's why. That would be why. And something like this, folks. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm doing something, but I don't know if it's gonna work. Yeah, because that's not even on the right spot. It needs to be above it. Something like that. I'm just
There
trying to
we
make it a
go.
little bit smaller. Yeah, that'll do the trick. My head kept getting chopped.
I will tell you this, Jack in the shop. I joined LightBurn, and the reason why I actually got my job at LightBurn is I was able to get on as a early like alpha user of MillMage, and I was a software dev, and
Did you?
yeah, well,
You
I
did
told you we
yours
could
then.
do we did
Yeah,
your
we gotta do
case.
my AirPods too.
Yeah, we do
There you
your
go.
AirPods case.
He got his done. Check it out.
Anyways, I've
Oh.
been using MillMage, 2.5 years now.
I don't know if you can see that.
And
It's not gonna want to focus for crap.
anyways, I've been using it for like 2.5 years. And I will just say I am a very, very, very heavy
Oh, that's a timer.
I'm a very heavy user of
He's a heavy
Fusion
user.
360. So
I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna clip that that section out.
yeah.
I'm a very very heavy user. Oh, I'm doing it.
So anyways, I'm a heavy user of Fusion 360 for cam, and most of the cam work that I have done, other than really like the thread milling left, is most of it is MillMage, and that includes the V carving. So I'm the tester. That's what my job is, and I will tell you that the V carving is incredible.
Hey, pull that in and see if it pulls the names in.
Okay. Here, let me
see what happens. No, it's not. It's not my brother. Sort of, maybe. Not no,
brother from
not
another
really.
mother.
Brother from another mother. Yeah, there you go. Remember years ago, I bought all 3 LightBurn versions. Back then, it was GRBL.
Gerbil.
Gerbil, Ruida, and Galvo.
Yep.
It was a lot time after I bought LightBurn before I started using it, because all my files were already made in RDWorks.
Yep, RDWorks. Yep.
You sounds like you're old school. You go way back.
Yeah.
It goes way back. Okay, pull them in. Good.
Yep.
Yeah, I just actually posted this stream up too, so we'll pull it in later.
Yeah, now we support. I mean, well, you're probably aware, but G-code machines, like dual source machines. So you might have like a CNC router that you can strap on. It's got like a head for a laser. We support machines like that. I mean, we're gonna have some support for some really neat ones here coming out here in the near future. We've got a few prototypes sitting in the shop here that are good. All right, let me get a power cord for this machine, and then we can start lasering.
Yeah, we definitely need to get automatic air hooked up to that.
Yeah, I need a nozzle for it.
You need another Galvo fiber so you can actually use the LightBurn you paid for.
Yeah, so this comm marker UV laser, this is
Clutch Kick? I thought you just got a laser.
Who's that?
I was talking to Clutch Kick.
Oh.
I think he just got some sort of laser. I don't want to like knock on wood, but OBS hasn't crashed yet. I probably shouldn't say that, you know.
Oh, we can cut your.
So I paused this yesterday too. He said, "Yeah, just go ahead and pause it. It's fine. Just pause it." Before we left, and I paused it. I was like, "The yellow one, you sure?" He's like, "Yeah." Paused it, and it apparently he said probably should have waited till it came up because we turned it back on, and it was like straight across.
Started the run right over that
Game is now doomed. Yeah, down under maker. That's I should have just not spoke it. X Tool F2 and M2 saving for a 100-watt MOPA. I have 4 working lasers right now. What do you got, Jack in the shop? There you go. I bought a 30-watt fiber 4 years ago. I rebuilt it with a 100-watt JPT M7 stores. That means to me, that's what I heard. Josh would know.
yeah. Let's say 30. Oh, you got a. Yeah, you did a serious upgrade on that 100 watt
30
from
watt
30
to
watt to 100 watt. Yeah. The
I just know that means more power.
one machine
It's a bigger number.
If work doesn't end up coming through to get one for our shop, me and Joe have a pack at the end of the year to buy one.
By which
It's GWiki, GWick, whatever, however you want to say it. GWiki is, I think, the proper way of saying it. They make their 6-in-1.
GWEIKI.
Yeah, they make
Yeah,
their 6-in-1. What is it? It's the 6-in-1. I think it might be. I think it's the M series. Maybe not.
Okay. 6-in-1 CNC laser cutting and fiber welding. Or fiber lasing.
Yeah, it's the M3 Ultra, I think.
Yeah, that one. Only for $13,999.
Yeah.
Hey, that looks pretty.
That's what we want to get, and we want to get some serious.
Nice.
That one we can actually. The guy that I bought this machine off of, home built his own. At that point in time, it was a 1.5 kilowatt fiber cutter. Sweet, absolutely sweet cutter. It half-inch steel with hardly any like kerf deflection on it. It insane. The Jack in the Shop long mill, great, absolutely great CNC machine. You did good there. I will say this in terms of galvo lasers, we are a big.
Beautiful.
Let me see here. My brain is.
Brain fart?
Yeah.
I got a long mill CNC router that I converted into plasma, ran the plasma with LightBurn once. I'm gonna get the new Falcon T1 Pro, but waiting for them to release the 60-watt MOPA and decide if I want it then. Jack in the Shop's got a 60-watt CO2, 22-watt diode, Algo Delta, a 40-watt diode, the laser tree.
Yeah.
So many different lasers out there. So many different lasers.
There's so many out there. I'll just tell you, everybody this, most of them are like, they're buying the parts and just putting together the machines in whatever configuration they want, and they might tweak the firmware, but most of them are made from
slap this on
common
there?
parts.
Here, what do we do? Just set it there?
Yeah.
Which side? The front?
Sure. Yeah, we'll do the front there, and then we'll get it.
So does that, let me see. It just does the gray, regular, it's on plastic, I guess, so it's just going to do the one. That's pretty cool, though. Actually, yeah, when you buy these, you get the option to print on there too, don't you?
Yeah, you can. Yeah, but why do that when...
Yeah, why do that when you can just do it?
Do it myself, yeah.
True. Why do that when I have lasers everywhere here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Of course, when I had my K40 converted to run LightBurn with stupid oversized chiller I never use an Elgato. What is that? Also run with LightBurn. That's what I should have done, was put it up there. Is that can you do that? Can you open a tab right there?
Yeah.
And pull the stream and just go to YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then just pull the stream and then just pop the chat out.
Yeah.
Yeah, just yeah. I don't know why I didn't think of that earlier. Instead of having to look down at this. Yeah, just click that. Yeah, there you go. Click this circle. Yeah, the circle right there. What's it? Up the logo. Oh, that works too. Yeah.
Oh, hey,
now
look at that.
The 3 dots.
Yeah.
Pop out. Pop her out. There you go. Now open that puppy. That might be a little.
Here, we'll see if we can zoom.
I don't think you can. I don't think you can. I think there is a way to do that.
There's a way of doing it.
It's because it like pops it out and doesn't give you the options like as a normal browser, you know?
I feel like you can do it here.
Maybe the text or something. UV is really cool. If I ever win the lottery, I won't tell anyone, but there will be signs. If I ever see that you've got like a ton of machines, yeah. I'll be like, where's my million?
Yeah, UV is awesome. UV is, I would say, my most
actually I can
favorite.
read it. Actually, if I just move it slightly forward, I can read it anyways.
That's crazy. It doesn't let you zoom.
Yeah, it's a thing. So there is an app like for that.
I knew we should have set up the big TV.
I mean, I can see it. If
you I know.
Yeah, I can read that. Just yeah, just right where it's at. It's good. And then you can kind of see. Then you can just click back over whenever you pull the giveaway up.
Yeah.
Well, hey, this is good because now we'll know next when we do this stuff. I'll have this saved.
Yeah.
And then we'll be able to. We can put a little bit bigger one up next time, and we'll know how to kind of set it up a little bit. UV equals black magic laser, Yuri says.
Oh, yeah.
Yuri, thanks for answering the call yesterday, man. I know I don't call you all the time and stuff, but there's an audio guy that's like right here too in this area.
Like right over
there.
there.
His name Drew?
Drew. Yeah.
Yeah, he was the one asking about the scanner.
Really cool dude. Does it's been fun.
Yeah,
the couple months we've been here. He's done some
really cool
vehicles. Yeah, to say the least.
He's been doing it like pretty much everything by hand. So I think he's getting into now realizing how a 3D printer and a 3D scanner can like really up his. I don't know even if it's up his game. Up his game, probably yes, but more of save his time and save his work.
Yeah.
You know, rather than having to do everything by hand.
And then, at least in the short term, I told him I'd show him how to do some of the modeling and things like that.
Yeah. He's gonna. That might. I mean, he might get a lot more stuff being able to go scan.
Yeah, scan dashes.
Because yeah, when you're going to add custom speakers and things like that in the cars, and you need like the specific mold area of an extra space that they left, where your feet's at or something, you're going to cover that area. To be able to scan it is great. I want to scan some examples for him with the Pika so you can show him how it can benefit him in his shop.
So I'm going to send you.
Yeah,
that's one of the parts that I'm going to send you, Yuri.
Oh, you're going to send it? Mail it to him?
Yeah.
What is it?
Here, I'll show.
Is it that piece from yesterday?
It's not the piece from yesterday. This is another one he brought me.
He's got a different one he needs scanned?
This is the one I forgot to bring to Murph.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. The one that you needed scanned.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what I was talking about, Yuri. He was supposed to bring this to Murph, and here, let me put it on here. He was supposed to bring this to Murph and forgot, like we tend to do in this world.
And I'm gonna do a scan before it leaves, and I'll send you a label that you can send this back on too. But I've got a Revo point, and you know it's fine for the age that it is, but that new laser scanning is insane, absolutely insane.
That's cloth that he's got
Yeah,
there.
so he just wanted it to get that curvature. That's why he used it.
Okay.
So he used the cloth to get that. But it's the critical areas are like the opening and like this curvature, and then he needs just a pocket. He said, "Oh, I'll just put a hole in it." I'm like, okay, yeah, that's
this
fine.
needs to be cut out?
No, that can stay.
Oh. What was the hole cut here for?
He wants air passage down into the dash.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But he wants this 3D printed and then mirrored also as well. So I'll be able to mirror it, and then I can also throw it into Nomad Sculpt and do a cleanup on it as well.
That's better. Yeah, super cool though. What kind of fabric is that?
I have no idea.
Just some random...
Sometimes I don't ask questions.
Yeah. It's been the smell on that fiberglass over there is like,
oh my gosh,
it took me back when I used to play with that stuff. Easy scan, he said. Easy peasy.
Yeah, that's after seeing what I saw, Yuri, last week. Yeah, that's a like,
but
super easy scan.
Yuri, I really need this marble scanned. Can you scan that? He knows I'm messing. Oh. Yes, laser and infrared, kind of a 2-in-1.
You know what? I do too. Weirdly enough, Bondo smell doesn't like. I like the smell of that, and mine is.
So you don't like the smell of
no, I like
resin?
No, I do.
You do. Yeah, me too.
And Jack in the shop said that too. And then what was it? The other is bleach. Weirdly, bleach. Love the smell of bleach.
Russ, yes. You love the smell of bleach?
Love the smell of bleach.
Oh no, that's not a good one.
Yeah,
resin. Now you can see. Now it doesn't have that smell right now. Smell it. It doesn't.
No.
It smells like someone farted on it now, but
you made me smell that. Oh, the Galvo brand that I really like their machines, really like their machines, is Hautian or Haushin. Hautin. Their Galvos are really good.
Diesel, raw, or burn smell. A lot of people like the smell of gas. Diesel, I don't know. I've smelled a lot of burnt diesel in my life, and I think I'm kind of over it. I think that WD-40, yes. WD-40 is great. Also, one that I questioned about just recently was 3-in-1 oil. It's a strange one for me. 3-in-1 oil, the smell of that, like, you know, they don't make the metal cans anymore for 3-in-1 oil, the little metal cans.
Yeah, now it's in the bottles, isn't it?
It's in plastic bottles,
oblong bottles.
The WD-40's got that nostalgic smell to it, I guess.
Okay. I would say about 1.5 years ago, I saw this on TikTok. A good use for WD-40.
Mm-hmm. Uh-oh.
You ever get great stuff, spray foam on your hands and can't get it off?
Spray foam.
Like the spray foam cans?
The spray foam stuff that gets hard?
Yeah, it expands out, expanding foam.
That stuff is yeah.
So WD-40 breaks it down.
Okay, I did
Yeah,
not know
while
that.
it's still tacky and hasn't fully
Okay.
cured, WD-40. And you can also preserve your great stuff to make it last a little longer if you've already broke the seal on it. The same way.
Did they change the formula of WD-40? So the new WD-40 is different. It's just built different. How about that? I don't. Maybe.
I don't know. I mean, it's always been a secret formula. They never patented it or anything. So maybe they had to change. Maybe they changed it to make it better. I don't know.
It no longer works.
I don't know.
I think it works.
I think it works.
If again, it's a lot of people don't know it's not like an oil. It's a water displacer. So you don't want to use it long term if you're like trying to grease your doors in your house. I actually just went through my house with my 3-in-1 can and realized that I have way too many doors in my house. I'm like, oh my goodness, this is a lot of doors. Here, you know what? Let's do here. We're gonna do something.
What is it?
We're gonna do something.
Ooh! Now this was a mess up. Here's something that UV laser is
we got a mess
really good for. Crystal. Watching.
Oh, what happened?
We started it too high on the.
We chopped his head off, man.
Yeah, we chopped his head off. Watching this laser was so cool because you can actually see the beam in the crystal, culminating where it's actually etching.
That's cool.
In the middle of the glass or in the middle of the crystal. It was so cool.
That is neat. What's the little mark right there? Is that something that
I think that was just like an anomaly that we had.
And then you got one right up here. The rest of it looks really good. Huh. You don't like smell acetone?
Ditto. But
Can you I had your screen, but now it's not showing. Yeah, acetone's rough. Acetone's a rough one. NGL, acetone's rough. Here.
All right. So what I'm doing is I'm swapping out lenses. I'm going from what is it?
Can this sit here?
150 millimeter lens.
This won't get in the way, will it?
No, it won't. 150 millimeter lens.
That should. Oh, hang on. I forgot about that. This thing does this whole
where is that?
thing.
What did I?
It does a whole thing.
Yeah, there we go. All right.
It's gonna be right there, though, right? Is that where it's gonna stay?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's leave it right there.
Yeah. Right there, or real close to it.
This right here this isn't supposed to, Josh. I think you were supposed to put that back in your bedroom.
Yeah. So on this machine, to see where the beam is, they put this UV reactive piece in there, so then you can see where essentially the beam is, like
okay
underneath here. So yeah.
90 weight gear oil. Ooh, that's rough. Nope. I'm out. I'm checking out on that one. 90 weight gear oil is this not in my ballpark of smelling good. I spilt some one time in the trunk of my car and never got it all out. So anytime it would get hot, I would smell that freaking gear oil, and it is disgusting. It's a rough life.
All right. So what I'll do
is that a lens?
Yeah. For yep, just don't touch the lens. That's about the only thing on either side. But that's The
Oh,
lens
my
is
God.
ultimately focusing. It obviously is changing the area of the.
Can I grab your screen from there?
Well, here I'm just gonna put it over here,
Yeah, there you go.
and we'll pull the chat over
Yeah.
here
Yeah.
for a minute.
Well, you can leave it over there. Just put that over the top of it. All right, hang on. Do that. All right, let's see what he's doing.
All right. So
hang on, wait 1 second. Oh, but now I'm going all over the place. I'm going nuts. I'm going crazy, y'all.
there we go. There we go.
That didn't work.
Yep.
Sorry, you guys. Sheesh, I'm going nuts. All right, this should be the last one. There you go. Sorry. Sorry for jumping 7 different screens.
I always forget. We need a.
Did you already send it?
No, I haven't.
Oh.
I gotta still put it all together
okay,
here
okay, yeah.
first. I gotta trying to remember the distance that it
Oh,
has
you're
to.
joking. Okay, that makes more sense. Okay, that makes more sense. 'Cause like, that's pretty rough. Hey, it's almost bit change or tool change time here. We got like 4 more left here.
Oh, seriously? We're that close?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 6. Looks like we lost 1 is all. Yeah, 1.
Yeah, just that one.
Wait, 2.
Well, yeah, the one that I was testing with.
No, a different one.
Oh, okay.
No, maybe just the 1. One down, man down.
Let's see here.
Keela,
Looks like
what's up, Keela?
we made a 150 jig, but we didn't
I
make
better
a
hide.
70 jig.
Yeah,
I'm trying to.
Keela's here.
Oh, Keela.
Is she still here, Josh? Is she still there?
I don't know. She's still there?
Keela, you're in trouble. Actually, I'm not hiding from you. You're in trouble anyways. Mila sent me a picture of you, like, in the thing getting your hair cut. And I saw longer hair on the floor. That better have been the person before you. She's going to come out with, like, just tell me how much you got cut off. Just give it to me harsh. I'll take it. I'm going to take it. Take it like a man. It was a lot packed off. She done whacked a lot of hair off.
That's what happens when you leave. It's making you pay. You're gonna make you pay for it.
I think I saw a set. On number 2 clippers. I made a stream, Down Undermaker says. Whoop whoop. Been a minute since we've actually been able to stream. Actually, I wasn't about to not stream this week. It's hard to get everything set up here, but I got a profile saved on here now, so I can do it for later.
This just made me really. Look at that baseball.
Oh yeah.
Anyways,
Got all kinds
I was looking for the other half.
She didn't.
Jig.
Yeah, my phone's over there. She sent me pictures.
Well,
what's up, JPP?
All right, so hold up here. Let me go
JPP
find
in the house.
the manual. Really? Oh, here it is.
Yeah,
there's the manual.
Yeah, I sit over there.
There we go. It's got reason why I need the manual is
you read manuals?
Yeah, I know, right? It's never do something like that. So in the manual, it has from the manufacturer the focus distance for the particular lens. So for this one, a 142 millimeter distance.
Did you write that in there?
Manufacturer did this.
Oh.
Jess found that this one is actually closer than what the manufacturer said. So that's.
These two are two peas in a pod. Kilo's talking.
All right, so let's.
Cody,
Here,
RTFM.
let me.
What's RTFM?
Huh?
RT.
You know what I should do?
FM. RTFM.
I should etch that AI image of Keela giving you the side eye right into that.
You can do it in that, actually.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Then she's always side eyeing you.
Throw it in there.
Yeah.
Throw it in there. Here, let me pull up the. When you get ready to pull it into there, let me know and I'll switch them over.
Oh man, when was that?
Read the effing manual, Clutch Kick said. Nick in the house. Hey peoples, if you haven't hit that like button, crush it, flick it, tick it, pinch it, hit the like button for me. Keela, I didn't even get to put the stream up and like share it anywhere at all today. All right, I'm gonna flip it over to that now. Hang on. Oops, see, I did it again. Look at me. I'm just breaking stuff left and right. And that's the other one. Why is that not in there? I'm going to say let it fly. No, I'm not going to say let it fly because I can't just let things fly. I don't know how to let things fly. I saw the stream posted in your Discord. Yeah, I put it in the Discord finally. Stay hydrated for 550 joules. Murph. So thoughts on last Murph? Oh, Murph was great.
What was your favorite thing you saw? I know you didn't see what I saw.
What was your 5-axis?
Oh, 5-axis,
yeah.
hand down.
Yeah.
Hands down.
I don't know, I had them guess. So yeah, I know a lot of people are mixed up about that and not really sure what that means, but there will be future Murphs. They're just going to change the name of it, and someone else is taking over it. So from what John said, they will have it at the same spot. So it still will be there. I don't know. That's just what he told me. He said they'll definitely have it there at the fairgrounds again, or continue to. If they have some sort of deal on that, I don't know. But yeah, it'll be changed. The name will be changed to something different, with different people, handling it and organizing it. So, maybe help them come up with a name, people. If you guys got a good suggestion for a name, they say they can't continue to use the Rap Festival, the RRF name. So they gotta come up with something different. So yeah, if you got any suggestions, let them know. Post it somewhere. Zanymaker Zach is in with the Maker Hive, and he's going to be one with the helping organization and stuff. So you can ping him. I don't know if they have a spot where you can put suggestions. Keela might know. Ping her, blow her up. She likes it when you DM her and blow her up. So do that, and she'll help you out. Okay, now I need to switch over to this. I need to figure out. You the pro streamer? Yes. So for whatever reason,
You're just gonna be looking at you all the time.
Yep. Bring it on. Bring it on. Let's see. Why do I not do a capture device? Add existing right here. And it's going to be like, boom, huge, right? Taking over the whole screen. But then we're going to go like this. Woo! And I need to move that.
Ooh, look at that. Look at that. That's going to be
There we go.
awesome.
There we go, people.
Yeah.
Let's make it happen, Captain. I'm not sure why they can't keep I don't know either, Keela. That's a good question. That's what Zach said. I feel like they can, but he said they can't, or maybe they just don't want to. But would there be a reason why they can't keep?
I don't think so.
Or maybe John just doesn't. They just don't want him to keep it the same name, or like name it anything but Murph. So yeah, maybe they could. That's why I suggest is like name it something else, but leave the RRF part. You know, Indiana Rep Festival. I don't know.
Oh,
Eastern. You can't do Earth.
Oh, shoot.
ERRF
Helps
because that
to-
was already a thing.
Hold on.
I suggest the Midwest Melt Zone. The Midwest Melt Zone. TMMZ. Yeah, I like that one actually. Plus it's hot, a melting pot of folks and melting plastic. Yeah, I thought that was good one. What do you think, Josh? Keela has suggested the Midwest Melt Zone, which would be TMMZ.
3D Murphtopia.
Yep. Anything but something like
Topia.
Topia. Yeah. As long as we don't call
I'm
it Topia.
sorry, any Earth people or 3D Printopia people on here. It will always be Earth to me.
It's always Earth. Yeah.
It will always be Earth to me.
We still call it Earth in the background.
All right, we got to make this a little bigger.
Oh, we're burning the AirPods. So everybody,
Let's frame it.
Keela now wants to get some AirPods, thanks to not me.
I want to make this a little
All right,
larger.
2 left. What's the next tool that goes on?
Oh, next is the thread miller.
Where's it at?
It's over in the tool holder over there.
Was it that one?
Yeah, that one there.
All right, she's going in next. But I'm not going to set it down. I'll wait until it's actually done. Yeah, it's got two to go.
All right, so I'm gonna just double check
Girls,
my material library.
Bought it to get a pedicure.
So here you can see I've done some. Here's materials and materials and materials
You should
for UVing. Let's see here.
Oh yeah, I go do pedicures with Keela sometimes. You don't have to make me. That's not a thing. Okay. We're gonna see.
And we're gonna
Before we start that here in a moment. We got what? Another? Is there 2 left? Huh. Yeah. Okay. There's a couple left. So we got a minute actually. Still got 2 to go.
okay.
Fill out the link for a chance to win some free filament today. I kind of like these shares.
And if anybody's like,
They're kind of
man, that's got to be stressful etching into something so expensive. Yes, it is.
Is it stressful?
It is very stressful.
Those are very expensive.
All right,
That's all right. I'll just take these. You got the same kind, don't you?
Yeah.
Maybe I should take the AirPods out.
Let me get some goggles. Huh?
Take the AirPods out of it?
No, the AirPods fine.
You're gonna melt through it completely?
No. It just discolors it. Is all it does. So
My poor toenails.
diode.
My heels are dead.
CO2.
Yeah. Oh.
Diode.
Yeah, that's about done too. Almost done. So yeah, we will
My goggles are gone.
We will do, we're gonna show this thing rocking. We're gonna change the tool on this in a moment. And
Well,
then that's almost done, and we can show you what the casting turned out with. We'll do the giveaway after that, and then you guys can go kick rocks. Tell them to go kick rocks. Go kick rocks. Yeah. Not yet. Not yet. Don't kick rocks yet. Man, that thing's been kicked. Does the thread miller part go probably is a lot quicker because it's just one thing, isn't it? Does it just go one process?
Oh, door. Oh, it's got. Hold on. Oh, that's right. How do you override the?
Oh, is it getting ready to do its thing?
Yeah, it's. I'm trying to remember with this thing.
Let me move this over here.
Let me see here.
Damn, don't start it yet.
No, I gotta remember how you gotta over. There's a way I think you can override the door. Nope.
I don't know if I can get a good shot of it like that. Maybe. We'll try. We will try right there. See what happens.
So I feel like somebody in chat is like, "Oh, it's here. Door settings."
Good time of year to make your feet pretty and get to wear sandals. Keela says, everybody go get them petties and stuff. Yeah, get her done. Get her done. Get her done. Get her done.
Where is it? Where is the switch?
Oh, now we want to do this.
Okay. Do not try this at home, people. Do not try this at home.
Uh-oh.
I'm going to find a washer to put on top of the sensor.
You need a washer?
Yeah, because it's a proximity sensor.
Actually, I saw a washer.
Here, there's a whole bunch over here.
I saw a washer somewhere there.
Oh, here. Here we go.
Oh,
here, no.
Right.
I got one of the knockouts for the.
Here's your.
I got one of the knockouts for the.
Do not try this at home, kids.
There we go.
Bypassing sensors. I don't know if you're going to be able to see the laser actually going.
Yeah, so the problem is with this one, we've got the slide table on it, and because the slide table's there, it doesn't get far enough down to trigger the sensor. And it's just a proximity sensor, so. Okay, everybody hold the breath.
Uh-oh. We're breath holding. We're breath holding. Oh, wait, did I do the wrong one? No, that's right.
Oh, we need to way adjust this.
I know what I did.
It ain't marking nothing.
I know what I did. I did this one. But
yeah, we need to. Let me go to my material libraries here, and
that's why.
Let's see here.
That would be why. It's so cold here, I had to put long pants and a sweater on. All right, Keela, thanks for stopping in. We won't be on too much longer. We're gonna do the giveaway here in a few. We're gonna show that casting that we did. You missed the earlier Josh did a he poured a did a mold in there. And it takes like an hour, I think. To cure up.
Yeah.
You waking. You gotta crank up the juice or something?
Yeah, I'm looking at just some of my other ones on other machines that I've run.
Settings.
Yeah, settings are way off. So
There's a handful of settings in here. Let's go with that. There's a handful of settings in there. Just put an extra 0 on everything.
yeah.
Look at that. I think we. Woo, buddy. Okay. Again, Josh. Do we do Z up? How do you do this?
Okay, so Z, we're in continuous mode. Z up.
Just hold this one?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
And then which one releases it?
F1 releases it. We got to hold.
Yeah, you got to
hold the tool first. No, yeah.
Yeah. That would be bad. Didn't do nothing.
Oh, sorry, not sorry, not
That
F1,
one?
K1.
It's beeping.
Oh my.
You need me to put it back over here?
Yeah. Oh, I was gonna show on stream the.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah.
Okay, somebody was asking
Here.
earlier.
It's better to show on this thing.
Yeah. What this bit looks like from the end.
Yeah. 1 second. There you go.
So.
There you go.
So it's kind of like almost like a half moon, and it literally just scoops out and single flute, but looks pretty.
It does look very pretty. It's so pretty.
All right. So now what we're gonna do is thread milling, and actually put the thread mill in.
It's this guy.
Yep.
Yeah, I guess I'll show that one here. This is the tool for that. Very cool. This is the last part of the last process.
And this goes. You want to hold it up there? All right, good.
Good. All right.
All right.
She's sucked in.
All right, so what I'm doing now is so same X and Y location. Now what we're doing is just zeroing out the Z, and I've also got a pendant here too. I'm using the pendant to do kind of like that fine tune, get it zeroed out right on the surface.
And if you had that Z switch hooked up, you wouldn't need it, right? Is that right?
No, yeah. If I had this, I could just swap the tools. It would go touch this, and it would zero out the tool. Yeah. Tool touch off. If you have a CNC machine, best thing ever. All right, then here on the controller, I'm going to clear the Z. It's going to zero it out. It does a little bit. It adjusted always to 0.8, 0.8. And that's millimeters. So
yeah.
And then what I'm going to do is put it out of pendant mode back into continuous mode, and then lift that up. And then I'm going to go to program. We're going to go to the third process. And now
do your thing.
Start.
So
and now this is This tool is so cool.
Yeah, that's neat. There she goes. How many cuts does it take?
Does 3.
3?
Yep. And then this last one is more of like fine-tuned cut so that you get a good solid cut.
So it does like a 180. Yeah.
That's what I do on each one.
So how do you get them off when you're done?
So that is the part right now I'm having to do by hand.
Break them off.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or go in with like a Dremel
or something?
Yeah, Dremel.
Okay.
But what I want to do is I want to make a custom cutoff tool with like a Dremel bit that can go in and just zip around the base.
Yeah.
And then
if you had, I mean, I'm sure there's a tool for that, right?
nothing that the closest I found was that bit that you saw.
Yeah, you need like basically a cutoff wheel that's like really low.
Yeah.
So you haven't found the tool.
I found like this was the closest that I found.
And that's not enough to get.
It's not big enough.
Yeah.
So what I need is like roughly about 10 millimeter diameter, and I can
well, I mean it works. I mean that's a
lot. Just a lot more work right now.
Yeah, it's more work. It would be better to automate that, obviously.
Yeah. And then at that point, then it's just zip, 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 and that's it.
Yeah. I mean, especially as many people that want those things.
Yeah. So to give everybody an idea, I made 50 of these in October of last year, and I sold out of them in a month and a half.
Yeah.
And so I'm making 150 of them now.
Keep plenty in stock at least. See how long they last. I don't know. They might not stay in stock at all.
Yeah.
All right. There she goes.
All right.
Let's
try this again. We're getting closer.
Oh, nice. Little air belt sander.
Much better in a situation like this. Start
low and go.
Yep, work your way up.
Oh, I can see something going on there.
Yeah, something's happening.
I see smoke. That means we're burning something. Can't really see it.
It's getting close.
You can't really see it through the camera because it's so bright right there.
It's all in like getting the right frequency. Here we go, 40.
That thing goes so much quicker than the other two.
Ooh, look, we're getting closer.
Huh? It's starting to do something, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see it a little there.
Yeah.
There's just not enough power.
Well, it's all in. It's not so much power as it could also be like frequency.
Okay.
So it's. Oh, let me see here. I feel like Yuri is like, no, do it this way. Do the settings.
Yuri? He might, I don't know.
Hey, hold on here. There's a really cool site. Let me see if I can find it.
Oh, for calculations or something?
Yeah, they have a really good cross-reference. Oh, laser tools, Galvo. Here, uvlasertips.org. uv.lasertips.org.
Okay.
Let me see here.
Says-
There's let me see here. Here. Black on white. Nope, not what I'm looking for.
Blue on black. Here's on the river. Just don't want to shove.
There, we'll try that. No, not 440, 400.
There you go. Oh, that's speed.
Here, we'll
Doing
we'll just. We're just gonna do this. Just run it on repeat until it gets the.
So I get more and more detail each time.
Yeah, it should. Yeah.
What's up, Linear Burn? Yuri's laughing at you.
Yeah.
No, not at you. He's
Yeah.
just laughing. Jerry has live stream up. Tell Jerry I will write into him here in just like 20 minutes or something. I'll get that set up real quick. Hang on. Oh yeah, because he's on a. Yeah, that's right. He's on different time. Let me figure out. It's been a minute since I've done this. Especially for Mac, it's so different. Where is the edit? There it is. Okay, customization, redirect. Here we go. There he is. All right. We're set to raid into him. So when the stream ends, we will.
Oh,
What is it?
we're getting some contract.
We in action?
Not as much. Not what I wanted
Yeah.
though.
Yeah, it's got some darker spot.
Yeah.
I'm a huge freaking fan of LightBurn. You love playing with lasers? Yeah, it goes way back. Like back when I was a kid, I used to get the little laser pens. Yeah, laser. Get the little laser pens, and anytime they have like a thing in the auditorium or something, you shine it at the.
Shine the laser. You're troublemaker is what you're telling me.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, it's fun though. Okay, here. I'll tell you what. We're going to jump over to do a giveaway.
All right, we need to do this.
I think
we need to do the drawing, don't we?
I think it's on. Is it on yours?
Yeah, the drawing.
It is. Oh, it's underneath this. Or no?
Yeah, I moved it over here, but yeah. Here, let me.
We'll I'll let you move it around, and we'll do a couple drawings. Did you re-pull it in?
Here it is. I'll pull it back in.
Yeah, pull her in.
Yep.
That's been so nice.
Yeah.
Refresh. Draw it in. Load general. Look at me telling you how to use it.
All right.
Just in case you forgot. I always check this is updated 4 seconds ago too.
Sweet, sweet.
Okay. I'm gonna let him spin the wheel.
All right. So,
Actually, I'll do it since it's right here. Spinny, spin, spin, shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Boom, boom, boom. We got we'll do 2 today. Ambrosia and Polymaker. How about that? Boom, ba-dum, 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 ba-donk-a-donk. And I'll go with Ambrosia for, is it ring-a-dinging?
oh yeah, that's okay. I'll
Doing a ring-a-ding.
it's doing the ring a ding.
There we go. And really, I don't even have to spin that there, but I guess I will. Okay, here we go. And I'll let you log him in. This is the first time you got to actually log him in. JPP. JPP. You always win. No, it's been a minute since you've won, I think. Congratulations if you're here. Did you set the timer?
Yep, I'm gonna start the timer.
You got 2 minutes to lose your prize. Oh, I'm too late. Bad timing. Woo, I'm here. He's there. Okay.
He's here. All right, timer's still running.
Mark him.
JPP, you here?
All right. So name it. Oh yeah, you probably find this one. There's not too many to go through. I just typed JPP or JUS.
JPP.
There it is. Double click it. There you go.
Okay.
Ambrosia.
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 Ambrosia. I'm getting myself a lot of ambrosia here
Now
soon.
delete that guy out of the chat.
All right.
Confirmed.
All right. So where are we at? Remove.
And then shuffle back.
Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle.
The arrow.
Arrow.
Look at him. He's a pro at this.
Shuffle,
Close that stupid ad app. Stupid thing. We don't want to see
you only get furniture at 4th of July.
See that crap.
All right. How many more times should I shuffle?
That's good.
All right.
We'll
what are we rolling for this time?
Polymaker. Polymaker spool.
Polymaker.
International. Worldwide. Intro national. It's Bruce. Is that? Oh my goodness. You guys are definitely cheating. You guys are definitely cheating. That's JPP's wife, girlfriend. Oh, geez.
Well, there.
I think they've hacked into us.
Rigged.
And she's here. Okay. Well, you guys won fair and square. Okay. Well, that's how it is. Even though I think you hacked me.
All right. We were Polymaker. What do we got?
I said wife. Next? I said wife. Yeah.
All right. We're good?
Did you mark him?
Got him.
Okay. We're good. I said wife. I'm calling BS. Hey. I don't know. I can't help it, man. All right, let's take a look at this our casting.
Oh yeah.
And then I'll let you guys go kick rock.
Oh, okay.
What?
I got it. We'll do a video after we get off of the
laser.
Yep.
All right, let's see what we got. Let's see what we come out with.
All right, really loud. All of a sudden.
Loud. Oh. Let the air out.
Airing it out. Airing it out. Airing it out. While it's airing out. So you wanna acetone
let me see it before you do it.
All the distressing.
You see the white?
Yeah.
On there?
All the heat stress from the bed plate. So now
beautiful. Beautiful. That mister is great.
You got to be careful,
Yeah.
though. Acetone can be very dangerous under pressure.
Yeah.
Very dangerous under pressure.
Oh, I didn't think about that.
Yeah, you can actually, if you get it to a certain PSI, it can, yeah, well, that can,
Ignite?
no, turn into a expanding,
Oh, okay.
yeah,
That doesn't sound fun
rapid
either.
expansion. We'll call it that.
That doesn't sound fun either.
Yeah.
Okie dokie.
All right, so here we go. Boom.
Boom.
There we go. Pop.
That crackle pop, folks. That's so cool.
And there's the whole tree.
You cut this stuff off, obviously, but yeah.
Yep.
We just
And just
need
use
the
side cutter. Cut most of that
pieces
off.
here.
So here we'll cut one off to show. So there it cuts off.
Yeah,
Cut
I
off
cut some of
the-
these yesterday.
Cut off the vents.
Clean her up.
Yep. Just to get all the flashing off.
I was using that deburr tool on that. Is that what, do you usually do that or no?
I just haven't. Well, if my fingernails are long
you
enough,
get
I do
your
my
fingernails,
fingernails.
just kind of scratch it, clean
Yep.
it off.
That's it. And
Yep.
when it's fresh out of the mold, it's actually easier to do it than if it waits.
Yeah, it's a little softer, isn't it?
Yeah. So these technically are not
Think
like
about that.
cured for
Very, very hard.
technically 7 days. So now here is the other mold. And
This one's got the spikies on it.
yep. And these
Cut
just
the spikies off.
knock them right off. Like typically what I'll do is I'll just take it to a little real fine belt sander and on a low speed and just knock them off.
Yeah. Yeah, I was
So
over
you
here
can-
cutting them all off yesterday.
Yep.
Yeah. Yep.
So we'll wait a little bit before we actually put the two halves together. Let them
Yeah, let them cure the
set
rest of
up
it, yeah.
a little bit more for about 1 day, and then they
Because you said like 7 hours to cure, really?
7 days to fully cure,
Oh,
but
7 days to
yeah,
fully-
to fully cure. But they're really like they're really the softest in the first 24 hours. And so, if anybody's curious about the deburring tool,
That thing is very. If you don't have one of these, you need
Yeah,
to get one.
they're
great.
for 3D anything like 3D printing, if you ever
just-
get that elephant foot on the bottom,
Yeah.
I know there's compensations now, but
It runs right on the. It's so nice.
yeah, and there's different like this one here. This is what is it, Naga or NOGA? You can find this on like even Amazon. It comes with a few other
Yep.
drag.
I ordered some on AliExpress.
Oh yeah,
and it's like I've had those.
best tool ever.
Dude, they're awesome. Yep,
Yep.
that's how it's done, folks. The master at work.
And all the inventory that.
Oh yeah, I
goes
can
with
show
it.
that real quick. I didn't get a
Yeah.
walk over here.
So here is
This is
all the toys. So in here there is just
doing
tons
barcode
and tons
inventory
and
on-
tons of toys.
Once they're all nice and neatly organized. Different parking lot pieces.
Here's Interstate.
Got a
over
new one
here.
coming. Yeah, Interstate. Very nice.
Got some new Hot Wheels
Oh,
track clamps. Oh, we forgot the track. Dang it.
Here's the oh, we did.
Yeah.
Here's other castings that was done for
Here's here this one.
Hot
This one
Wheels.
Mattel had some fun with me and shut down this listing because literally the track was orange.
Yeah.
And it's an S
You're not allowed
curve.
to have their same orange.
Yeah. Even though it's not the same orange.
Yeah, it's really not.
It's not.
It's really not.
So
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, it's. Have you got anything back? Oh yeah,
all
you
the
got
train stuff
yeah.
on that side.
train.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is nice though. Oh, then here's your cones and stuff.
Oh yeah. All the cones and
Yeah. Look at the little fellers. They're so cute. Little cones.
replacement parts for that vintage train. Tons of stuff over there.
Awesome. Oh, the organization is needed when you have this many things though. And there's a track that goes together with the train.
It was awesome. Hey, we had internet in the shop to do this finally.
Yeah.
I
mean, there wasn't internet here for a good while.
3 months. 3 months, 90 days took to get internet here. So we kept pushing this back, pushing this back. It worked out.
You need blades for it. Yeah. I mean, I don't know if I have extra blades, but you can get them probably on those blades on Amazon.
Yeah, you can get them.
Yeah. I don't see why not. Oops. Where'd I go? There we are. Okay. Jerry's streaming right now, 3D HP, and when I hit the end, it's going to go over to him. So I'm going to send you all over to Jerry and tell him I said hello. I'll jump over there and say hi too. How about that? If I can make it work, hang on. Let me do this real quick. Oh, is that right? I want to make sure I have it set right before I do that. Okay, good. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to send you over to Jerry.
Thanks, everybody.
Thank you. And here